Hi everybody, this is Anna from Anna and Ivy, and today I will show you our very new set, the Instagram story animation rose pack. So we have the files when you download all the files, or you can see it in Dropbox. There are 47 sequences. Every video is 50 seconds long and fits exactly into your Instagram. So we have different things like elements, animated elements, and fruits, or abstract things like like these. You can put it behind your images or quotes or whatever you like to put on your Instagram story. I will show you now how you can change the color in Photoshop and how you can put your images into the animation. This is not a template like you saw on Creative Market, maybe, where you can put text and images and then it's automatically animated. It's more like an animation and you put your stuff on top of it. So let's take this one, just drag and drop to Photoshop. So where do we have it? Yeah, here it is. So as you can see, I have a timeline where I can see exactly the 50 seconds. So you can open the timeline over here in Window and then Timeline. So you need it because you want to make sure that everything you put on top is in the exact length you want it to have. First of all, we can change the color. Let's try something over here. I would choose Pure and Saturation for general color adjustment. So you can put it over here. And always make sure the layer you put on top is exactly the length of your video. I mean, if it has to change on some points, it can be shorter, so you can make it shorter. But if you want a general color change, you should make sure it's also the same length. So over here you can switch color in every kind of direction. This is the one way you can change it. Or what you can also do is go over here and click on solid color. Then you can choose a color you want to and set this to color. This is something you have more control over. And as you can see, this layer doesn't have the same length as our footage. Yeah, you can see the color switch over here. If you like it, leave it. But for this presentation I would like to make it in general blue. So this is the color you can choose, and you can also put every kind of adjustment layer over this layer and change the outcome of the color. You can make it more like this. You can see the animation has some grain over it, so it's not like super flat, but you cannot see it general. It's only a kind of touch of grain, so it gives you more possibilities. Yeah, so here we go. This is the color change. So the next thing we can do, we can put some images over it which would fit our pink style. Just put it inside and also make sure again that this layer has the same length as the other layers. So yeah, if you want to change it, just a quick tip, Command T is the way you transform it in every kind of size you like. When you found the color you want to choose, maybe put like this, just go over here to File, Export, and then to Render Video and select the folder. I will put it on the desktop because I want to find it quickly. Yeah. So render it. It will take a bit because it's a larger file than an image, and then we go over to Instagram stories. So now we go into Instagram stories. Just choose the background you want to and then just write your text on top. So this is the easiest and fastest way to use the whole thing. You can put GIFs and everything you want on top, so just use it as a canvas. If you don't know how to put this footage onto your phone, you can email it yourself, use it directly from Dropbox, or download it from Dropbox, or you can make it per AirDrop. So yeah, and that's all. Super easy peasy to use. Yeah. So I wish you a lot of fun with the set. I hope you like it, and if you have any questions or any wishes or requests, please write it in the comments or write us a message. We would love to hear your thoughts about this whole set, because I guess there isn't that many of this kind at the moment at Creative Market, so it would be very cool if we get some feedback how you like it, if you like this kind of stuff or is it too much, I don't know. Tell us your opinion. And yes, this is the rose pack, so have fun, and yeah, bye bye.